The production of fennel in India reached around 137,000 metric tons in 2023. How is this vegetable harvested, washed, and efficiently distributed to reach your kitchen? Fennel, a popular culinary herb known for its aromatic seeds and flavorful bulb, is often cultivated on well-drained soils with good fertility and ample sunlight. The planting process usually involves preparing the soil through plowing, harrowing, and fertilization to create optimal growing conditions. Row spacing and plant density are carefully managed to maximize yield and facilitate efficient harvesting. Throughout the growing season, fennel crops require regular irrigation, weed control, and occasional pest management to ensure healthy growth and minimize losses. Harvesting occurs when the bulbs reach a desirable size, typically around 90 to 100 days after planting. Harvesting fennel bulbs often requires careful manual labor. Farmers may use tools such as spades or knives to carefully dig around the base of the fennel plants and loosen the soil, making it easier to lift the bulbs out of the ground. They snip right below the bulb's base, but leave the root in the soil. Then they remove the entire plant from the soil. Sometimes, after harvesting the bulb, small shoots will continue growing from the root, which can be collected later on. Fennel harvesting and processing units are equipped with conveyors and washing mechanisms that allow for efficient cleaning and sorting of fresh harvested fennel bulbs. As the workers harvest the fennel bulbs manually, they can place them onto the conveyor belts of the mobile unit. The bulbs are then transported through the machine where they undergo washing to remove soil and debris. The mobility of these units allows them to move alongside the workers as they harvest the fennel crop, minimizing the time and effort required to transport the harvested bulbs to a centralized processing facility. This results in greater efficiency and reduces post-harvest losses. Upon arrival at the factory in mass quantities, harvested fennels undergo thorough cleaning and washing procedures to eliminate any residual soil, debris, or surface impurities, ensuring adherence to stringent food safety standards. Following this, the fennels are meticulously sorted and graded based on various criteria such as size, weight, color, and overall quality, often utilizing automated sorting systems to ensure uniformity in the final product. Trimming and cutting processes may then be employed to remove any undesirable portions and to tailor the fennels to specific culinary applications. Fennels are subjected to vigorous agitation and tumbling during the washing phase. This helps to dislodge soil, debris, and surface contaminants. Additionally, water jets or sprayers may be strategically positioned to provide high-pressure rinsing, further enhancing the cleaning process. Some washing machines incorporate brushes or scrubbers to gently scrub the surface of the fennels, ensuring thorough cleaning without causing damage. Additionally, sanitizing agents or disinfectants may be added to the washing water to enhance food safety and microbial control. Another approach involves large-scale spraying systems where phenols are passed through a tunnel or chamber while being sprayed with pressurized water from multiple nozzles. These systems can efficiently remove surface dirt and contaminants, although they may not provide the same level of agitation and scrubbing as washing machinery. The washed phenols move on to the sorting and packaging stages within the facility. Sorting involves separating the phenols based on various criteria such as size, weight, color, and overall quality. This can be done manually by workers who visually inspect each phenol and place them into designated categories. Once sorted, the phenols are prepared for packaging. Packaging methods can vary depending on the intended distribution channels and consumer preferences. For mass distribution, phenols are often packed into sturdy cardboard boxes or crates in bulk quantities. These boxes are typically labeled with relevant information such as the product name, weight, origin, and any necessary handling instructions. Individual phenols or small clusters of phenols may be wrapped in plastic film or placed in resealable bags for convenience and portion control. This packaging format is commonly used in retail settings, supermarkets, and convenience stores where consumers may purchase smaller quantities of phenols. Furthermore, some facilities may offer value-added packaging options such as pre-cut phenols or phenol slices packaged in ready-to-use formats. These convenient packaging options cater to consumers seeking convenience and time-saving solutions in their meal preparation. Packaged phenols are transferred to warehouses where they're organized based on type and packaging, tracked with warehouse management systems, and prepared for distribution. Orders are picked and packed, then shipped using refrigerated vehicles to maintain freshness. Upon arrival at retail locations or distribution centers, phenols are stocked for consumer purchase, requiring effective coordination throughout the supply chain to ensure timely delivery of fresh, high-quality products to the market. If you're intrigued by the fascinating world of production line automation and eager to witness more of the intricate processes behind food manufacturing, we invite you to explore our next videos here.